Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to generate your cartoon 3D avatar just by using your own photo. This is your own picture, your own photo. How to just use the AI to generate the cartoon 3D avatar for your Blender 3D animation software. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. To create a cartoon 3D avatar, I'm not going to directly use the Blender, but I'm going to use the CC5, the Character Creator 5, because it has the AI that can directly generate from the picture. It can directly generate the 3D model from a picture. That is a plugin that is called the Headshot tool. So I'm going to show you all this step by step. I'm going to just click the image and click auto, and then I'm going to just import any of the picture that I want to generate a realistic 3D avatar first, and this is a male. I'm going to just click clean soft and generate. And later in CC5, in Character Creator 5, it can convert it into cartoon 3D avatar as well. So I'm going to just directly make it from the CC5 first. Alright, now you can see it already generated, and I'm going to have a check to just look at this face. Is that everything look okay? Yes, it is exactly this face. Of course, you can do some adjustment on the facial, on the face morph, the facial morph, the full head morph, for all of these like the cheeks, etc. But as demo, I'm not going to make much adjustment at here. Alright, so I'm going to just clear everything. Okay, how to turn him to become a cartoon 3D avatar? First, you need to have another plugin that's called the Actor Mixer, or you can just directly drag it from the full body. There's a cartoon. You should be able to see a cartoon, the toon neutral male and toon neutral female. So if I directly drag the toon neutral male, it will transform it to become a toon. But this is for the full body. Of course, if you go to the full head and scroll down, you can see a toon neutral male. You can make him to become a cartoon. But of course, you need to make some adjustment on the eyes. So you double click the eyes and then go to the material. Just make sure for all of the eyes, you double click the face first and just check the eyes. You can see the standard eyes are, then cornea. You can just click here, hold the shift, click. 4 of these get selected. Scroll down. The shader type, change it to become a traditional or PBR. So everything will just look more normal. Of course, you can just choose a cartoon eyes from here. Choose it from here under the content. Then go to search for the eyes here. Here there is a cartoon eyes. Twin figure. You scroll until you see the Stylize, and for all of this you can use it for the toon eyes. If you double click it, then you replace the materials only. It is going to replace everything. It is really easy. Materials only. Then it will change the whole eyes, and next you can see the eyeball is 2D. You can just make it out. Just go to here and search for the eyeball here under the eyeball, and here you can just search for the eyeball depth, to make sure it come out a little bit to look normal. Alright, now it's better. So now it already look like a cartoon 3D avatar, and what can you do now? You can just give him some shirts. Choose here, shirts, some male shirts. Just double click it and give him a pant. Just double click it. And then give him a shoes. Then everything well done. From now you can just export it for your Blender. Alright, but before that you just need to save it. Save as a CC project. Ctrl+Shift+S. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Name this as cartoon01. Save. And then we are going to export as FBX for the Blender. Click File, Export, FBX, close character. The target tool preset, choose Blender. And here, turn it on. And then here, you should see a merge opacity to diffuse texture. This one, just take it and embed the texture. We just want the mesh and click export. On the desktop, create a new folder, name this as cartoon01. The file name, just name this as cartoon01. Save. And later it is going to save in this folder. Just wait for a while and hold on. Right, now you can see the FBX is already exported. Now I'm going to open the Blender. This is Blender 5.0. I click the empty area, just press A and just press delete to delete everything from here. Next, I'm going to just drag in the FBX file. Then just import the FBX. Now have a check for this FBX. So now I'm going to just turn on the material texture to check, is that everything? Everything okay? So now I click the skeleton. For this skeleton, I'm not going to show it, so I click here, viewport display, don't show it in front. And then now just check the eyes. This eyes, there's something wrong at here, so we may just check the material to see. Click this one. Make sure you click this and just press delete to make sure it shows properly. Right now, this is a cartoon avatar that's generated just now. It is ready for your 3D animations. Of course, now you can see this is the underwear. You can just click and just press the delete button to delete it. Now everything looks cool. And click the skeleton. We are going to just show it in front and just go to the pose mode to see is that everything can just do the animation. I click and just click here. Not this. Click one more time. Alright. The hands, the skeleton, everything can function properly. The fingers, yes, everything can function properly. What about the eyeball? Yes, the eyeball also can function properly. So it is ready for 3D animations. I'm back to the object mode and click the face. Of course, I click the skeleton, I just don't show it first, and I click the face. We are going to check the facial morph. Is that all of the facial morph from the CC5 already? Okay, for your 3D animation, you can see everything. Everything already okay. Done. Together with the facial morph, the facial shape key, already here. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a cartoon 3D avatar. Generate a cartoon 3D avatar just by using a piece of picture. And finally, you make it as a cartoon 3D avatar in your Blender 3D animation software just by using the CC5, the character creator 5. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.